Hello friends, welcome to my Science Tech channel. In this video, today we are going to learn about the subject science, and the name of the chapter, that is, we are going to study about microbiology. So what is microbiology? Let us see the different types of diagrams and what is microbiology, what is the study of microbiology and the various branches of microbiology that we are going to study. So let us see. First, we are going to see what is exactly microbiology. So microbiology is nothing but we can say the study of microscopic organisms such as bacteria, fungi and protists. So all these microorganisms we are studying in these branches. So microbiology is the study of various microscopic organisms, we can say, which we cannot see with our eyes. We can see with the help of microscope. So by that, with the help of microscope, we are studying those things. So that is nothing but microbiology. It also includes the study of viruses, which are not technically classified as living organism but do contain genetic material. So we can say viruses are it also include in that microbiology study, we can say. So microbiology research encompasses all aspects of microorganisms such as their behavior, evolution, ecology, biochemistry and physiology, along with pathology of disease that they causes. So all this study we are doing in the branch of microbiology, we can say. So this is the introduction about, we can say, microbiology. It is used in a vast field of the technology in this world, we can say. Next one, here the diagram, it is shown of microscopic structure of the various enzymes, bacteria, how they are basically forming. We cannot see with our naked eyes, we can say with the help of microscopic structure we can see the diagrams of these bacteria, enzyme, viruses. They are very minute in the nature, we can say. So it is present anywhere, we can say. Next one, we are going to see exactly the branch of biology. Basically the branch, we can say, in microbiology, it is divided into two parts, that is applied microbiology and industrial microbiology. So what is applied microbiology? Applied microbiology is nothing but the study of microscopic organisms such as bacteria, fungi and protists. So applied microbiology is the study of enzyme related to some prokaryotes, eukaryotes, microbes, proteins, applied genetics, molecular biology. All these are the study it is coming in, we can say, the branch of applied microbiology. So microbiology research encompasses all aspects of, we can say, ecology, biochemistry and all this we have seen the branches of pathological labs and the disease various it is causing. So that is coming in applied microbiology. Next one, that is, we can say, here the diagram it is being shown, that is the Bordetella protocell, that is the type of a bacteria or enzyme it is being shown how they are basically forming. Now we are going to see exactly the next branch, that is the industrial microbiology. So in industry we see many things are being made, the products, the materials it is being made. So without microorganisms it is not made in the industry, we can say. So with the help of microorganisms the things are being made. So industrial microbiology is a branch of biotechnology that applies microbial sciences to create industrial products in mass quantities, often used microbial cell. There are multiple ways to manipulate microorganisms in order to increase maximum product yield. So friends, we can see the science is related to commercial use of microbes. Various microbial process used for this process are being carried out, we can say, basically bread, cheese, wine, raw material of chemicals, enzyme, nutrients, medicines, all these things whatever the people are using in daily life, that is made from, we can say, in industries only. So this play a vital role in making the products of microbes, play an important role in making all those things. So use of microbes for garbage management and pollution control is also play an important role. So dairy products whatever we are using in daily life, that is also used in industrial microbiology, we can say. And beside that we can say lactic acid also, it is play an important role in industrial microbiology for making cheese, butter, then yogurt production and all that. So this was all about, we can say, industrial microbiology. So I hope so everyone understood. If you like, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.